In this video, I will show you how to achieve a soft glam look using a red lipstick. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Starting off my bare face, in this video I tried to bring you guys up close, but my camera would not let me be, so guys, ignore it. I'm gonna be starting using a primer. I'm using a matte primer to apply in the areas of my face where I tend to produce oil the most, and just work that into my skin and allow it to sit in for a minute or two. When that is all set in, I'm gonna use a foundation, and I'm using this one from Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. This is a mouthful. So I'm going to apply the foundation in the areas of my face where I want more coverage on my face, and I'm working it from the inner corners of my face, or from the inner perimeter of my face to the outer perimeter of my face, if that makes sense. And I'm blending that in using a flat foundation brush. And guys, just like I said, I tried to bring you guys up close, but my camera, I don't know why my camera was not picking or focusing on me, because why the hell was it focusing on my background? And when it manages to focus on me, it just little to no footage, and I decided to go back to the regular filming pattern we used to have here on this channel. I'm just working the foundation in to cover the areas of my face where I need more coverage. And for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. I'm applying the concealer in the areas of my face where I want to highlight or where I want light to hit, and going over with my contour, I'm using this one from Beauty to contour the areas of my face where I want to contour. And I'm gonna let the concealer sit in, the highlight concealer to sit in on my face to get tacky. Whilst I go to blend the contour concealer, I'm using a Glam Beauty sponge to blend my highlighted concealer, and I'm blending that in real time, so you guys will see how that is blending using a tapping motion or a patting motion. I'm not gonna make it faster than it is. This is real time blending, so you guys are going to see how I blend my concealer or blend my highlights in real time. I'm going to stop talking and allow music to play and let you guys watch while I blend my concealer. Moving on to cream blush. You guys know I love me a good cream blush, and this is my absolute favorite cream blush at the moment. So I'm just going to place the blush in the areas of my face where I want to place the blush, or where I usually place the blush, the highest point of my cheekbone, and go back in with my foundation brush to blend away the harsh lines. And blending the harsh lines of the blush again, I'm blending this in real time, so you guys will see the blending process. Also going back with my beauty sponge to blend my crease lines underneath my eye, because y'all know we usually crease over there, and we don't want no creasing on that area before going over to apply our powder. You know how much we feel about having crease lines here on this channel. We blend it off, take it off, because we don't want no crease lines. We want to look flawless. Yeah guys, ignore me. And I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch setting powder to set my under eye. And guys, this setting powder is the real deal. Rihanna, what you doing? I love me this Fenty setting powder. Going over with my all over face powder from this powder palette, I'm going to set the rest of my face and also set my contour. I'm also going to go in with my blush palette to set my blush again, because we want to set off our cream products. We don't want them to move, hence we're going to set them in place. And for my brows today, I'm going to be using the Black Opal brow pencil in Coffee Bean. And I'm going to brush up my brow hairs using a spoolie, and also filling my brows, filling in the sparse areas of my brow. Moving on to bake my under eye, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder in Sahara to bake my under eye to cash out the fallout. Moving on for eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be using the Mood Beauty 35 Pro 1 palette. I'm blending in my transition shade because I don't play a lot with eyeshadows, especially with my eyes. I'm trying to elongate the eye look, creating like a wing. I'm just going over with some of the colors for the outer corner or for my outer V, and for my inner corner I went in with a shimmer shade or a shimmer eyeshadow to place on my eyelids, give my eyelids some depth. That makes sense. And I went off camera to apply my mascara, my liner, as well as my falsies. That's it for the eye look. I don't want to create like an in-depth eyeshadow or like a vibrant eyeshadow. I want to keep it really simple. Moving on, to dust off the excess powder and to set my under eye, I'm going to use the Nuban Beauty Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. This is also a finishing powder, and I'm using it to set my under eye, just to blend in the powder we used to bake our under eye. Going over with a setting spray to take off the powdery film so it doesn't look like we applied way too much powder on our face. And I'm going to use another blush again. This one from Focalo. This is the Monochromatic Duo Palette or duo blush. I'm mixing both shades together because one is matte and the other has shimmers to it. And guys, I love a blush with shimmers. I'm also gonna apply my highlighter from Inglot. This is in collaboration with Jennifer Lopez, leaving the highlight, placing that on the highest point of my cheekbone. To line my lip, I'm using a brown lip liner, and I also went over with a red lip liner. I'm going to speed this up because it's almost the same process, especially with my lip liner. It's nothing new. It's just adding different colors to lining my lips and going over with a red lipstick from Maybelline. This is their Pleasure Me Red lipstick, and I love the undertone of this red lipstick. Guys, this is beautiful. And that's it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned one or two. This is as detailed as possible. Looking at this look, it almost does not look like a soft glam, looks more like a full glam. But guys, times for your soft glam look, you want to pop on some colors, and they just intensify the look using the red lipstick, and I love it. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this look. Let me know if you're gonna be recreating this look. Also hit the red subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and check out my other videos to stay connected. Bye guys.